welcome back to my channel. Welcome. And here in my hands I have leftover fabric from my previous project. If you haven't watched it, what are you doing here? Go and watch that video. Go do it right now. Just do it. Show me some love. Go watch that video and then come back and finish this one. Okay, so what are we making with this leftover fabric? Because I can't make a skirt out of this fabric, not enough to cover my whole body, baby. So yeah, should I tell you what I'm going to make out of this fabric, or should I just take you along, see for yourself? What do you think? My lips are sealed. Come on, let's get to work. What I'm going to do, I have my tape measure right here. So I'm just going to take this tape measure. I'm going to measure. What's up with this thing? She don't want to work with me, but I'm the boss. So okay. So I'm just going to measure across my chest like this and see. Okay. I'm getting the 70 centimeter vibes. So yeah, 70 centimeters, 79 centimeters. So what I am doing now is I am going to measure 79 centimeters across the fabric. That is the size of my chest. So I'm just going to measure that and mark my 79 centimeter mark. And then after that, I am just going to trace out a straight line so that I can cut off the excess fabric at the top. So that is our 79 centimeter mark that I've marked right there. Now we need an elastic to go around my chest, so I'm just going to measure 79 centimeter and cut off the excess. So what I am doing now is grabbing my elastic band and lining it up with the first line that I drew earlier. I want to measure the width of my elastic so that we can make a casing. So I'm just going to draw a straight line across, and then once I'm done, I am going to grab a scissors so that we can cut off the extra fabric, and then we can make our casing for our elastic. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make our casing for our elastic, and what I will do is I will pin everything in place and then head over to the sewing machine. So you're just going to do a basic straight stitch. When making your casing, do a basic straight stitch and you should be fine. So I've also joined the two pieces together, the two sides together, and I removed the original hem and I made this cute little hem. Yes, I like this. The original was too big, I didn't like it. So now it's time for us to pass through our elastic through the casing. So what you're going to do is when
you are making your casing, guys, make sure you leave a gap open so that you can pass through your elastic, and once you're done you can always stitch it up. So now what we need to do is we need to grab our elastic. So as you can see, I have a safety pin attached on one end, so you're going to grab another safety pin and attach it onto the other end of the elastic, and you're also going to fasten that on the fabric. You're going to secure it in place on the fabric so that it doesn't move when we are passing our elastic through. So like that. And what you're going to do is grab this other end and you're going to pass it through that gap. Remember that gap we left open, you're just going to pass it through there. And as you are doing that, make sure that your elastic stays flat, it's laying up nicely in there, no bumps, and you'll be shushing it out as you are pulling it so that everything is nicely laid inside. So once you have passed your elastic through that casing, you're just going to secure these two pieces together with a zigzag stitch.
So this is the top, guys. This is what we made. I am loving this. So I added these strips. So this is what our top looks like at the back. Nothing fancy. Yeah, making these strips was a pain, but they are worth it, baby. They are worth it. So let me know, what do you think about this? Bottom, as you can see, we have like a slanting situation going on. It's not even, but yeah, nothing to worry about. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join the gang. Okay, until next time, I'm out of here.